What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here. Just making a video of one of the things you have to do in Nui to earn points. Now, I'm gonna try this out. I don't know if I'll be able to really beat people during the week, but as you can see, I got to watch 25 pages, kind of like Future Ad Pro or whatever, but 25 pages of this. Basically, I don't want to listen to the video. 25 pages of uh, what they're showing me. So basically, I'm on page number 2, waiting for it to go by. Uh, Doing these 25 pages only give you 3 points. So on my last video, I was talking about trying to figure out how the points actually earn you money or whatever. So basically, there was a point where you can actually go in the back office of the core and redeem the points. You can redeem the points with gift cards, and you redeem the points with other items. I saw Walmart gift cards in there, and I'm not sure if you only could spend the money on the Walmart gift cards at Walmart only. But even if you can, I know they had Amazon gift cards. They had iTunes gift cards, um, and such. And of course, Walmart and Target gift
Want to
cards.
trade but don't want a lot of complaints.
So, oh, look at those hands. And this site's telling about different diseases, so you can read through the disease if you want to. This is like talking about leprosy. I'm like, okay, I don't want to know about leprosy and all this stuff like that. But yeah, I'll show you right after this page. This one goes through. Let's see. Let this one go through. Go on to page number 5. I'm gonna go back to my core. So this is the one I'm doing right here. So if you go back or whatever and look at the pages. Okay, let's go back and look at the page. So this one gets 3 points. So this is the one I'm doing. It gets 3 points. There's another one that gets 3 points. There's another one. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. So far there's 6 of them. So and you go here on the side. So it shows how many points you have. I have 349. And you go to this thing that says reach. You click on reach, and this is basically where you redeem your points at. So you can redeem your points in here, and as you can see, for a freaking new keyboard, 2,000 points. I wonder if they have any computers in here. If they have any computers, that'd be pretty sweet. But if not, you can see 1,500 points is only $15. So you got to get 1,500 points. 1,000 points is $10. So if you can make 2,000 points a month or 3,000 points a month, you only make $30 a month. But just think about it. Just join Nui. It costs $125 to join Nui for a year. So we basically, so 125 divide that by, if you could get $15 a month. So it'll take you 8 months to earn your money back that you spent. So that's how that works. So, or you could do what I'm looking to do, which it's not really a lot of points, but if I could do that, get those 3 points, like 8 times, do it 8 times a day, that's 24 points, times that by 30. So I end up making like 720 points a month. So times that by 2. So I could end up making 1,500 points every 2 months. So that's only $15 every 2 months. But to me, it's still kind of worth it. Because I'm not really doing a lot. Um, and of course, you can like build teams of people of doing this, and by building teams of people doing this, you'll actually earn extra money or whatever. So go back to this. So
What's going on, people? You guys try.
I'm talking about the bubonic plague. So and that's how this works. So you could go in there and earn points and redeem your points with different items and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to get up to 1,000 points. Uh, And to qualify, basically, if I did those 3 points, if I could earn 30 points a day, basically by doing 10 of those things every day, if they're available, if I have 10 available every day, I probably just go ahead and do it. But I earn 30 points a day doing that. Times that by 30 days in a month, that's 900 points a month. So I have to really ramp it up. So 15 times 3 times 30 days. So yeah, I probably find 15,
right? People might copy it,
15
but
of those things, 15 of those daily. I have to try to do 15 of those daily. And as you can see, it does take some time to do them. But
I'm Alex.
I'm pretty sure it takes like less than like say an hour a day or say 2 hours a day. You could sit down and just do this and play on your phone and or whatever, and just sit here and just let the thing go by. If you could do 15 of those every day, then you'll be able to make at least like you saw 1,300 points a month or whatever. And it may not seem like a lot, but you could build those points up and get all this other free stuff, and you could build a team of people doing the same thing. So it's just like it just depends on what you want to do. And then of course, um, you have the mining aspect of it, the mintage mining. So I went ahead today and bought $50 worth of Bitcoin today, and I moved that Bitcoin. Well, actually, I bought $50 worth of Bitcoin. After fees and everything, I moved that money over to the mintage mining, which is actually part of Nui. So because of that, I'm able to earn Bitcoin through mining, and then it's really affordable. All the minimum amount to start the mining is only $25. And I think you can actually join for free. You just have to send them your mintage mining link for them to join for free. But if they want to do everything through Nui, then you can just go ahead and send them your Nui link. But of course, it costs $125 a year to actually work within Nui. I don't know why I'm just sitting here. Let that thing. What is this? Syphilis. I never knew what syphilis does. It's genetically transmitted infection of bacterium. Such usually the size symptoms are very depending. In which 4 stages present: primary, secondary, latent. Primary classically of a single painless, non-itchy skin, ulcerations. I guess that's what this is. It looks pretty gross actually, but influenza, swine flu. I did not try to do that. Never want to listen to all those commercials and everything. Okay, the next one. Go on here. Meningitis. What is that? No, that must hurt. How does a person even get that? Oh, I gotta go to the next one. Sort of heart disease. Look at that. This is like one of the most common things that Americans die of. Look at all that fat. Fatty deposits. You gotta clean that crap out your bodies. Um, and then pretty much beets can help, and eating vegetables and different fibers, like just non super fatty foods and foods high and all kind of freaking like the processed foods and stuff like that, and drink a lot of water. Uh, Try to make your blood vessels and veins um, elastic.
Better. It's more than just words.
So that looks creepy. I forget the disorder, but it's like fear of holes. So those little dots give me like goosebumps all over my body looking at crap like that. I can't stand looking at stuff like that. Even just thinking about it gives me goosebumps. So yeah, I kind of had to go through that real fast.
Hi.
As you can see, what is this? Okay, that guy looks crazy. But as you can see, I did 14 pages. On the 15th page, doing this, just messing around. Actually, I'm gonna time this next one, seeing how long it actually lasts. If it's 30 seconds or what is it? Let's see. Go to my timer, clock, timer. Okay, and well, how do you stopwatch? Okay, reset. Okay, right now. What is this? Avian flu. So far, 10 seconds. Just going through this. 20 seconds. So I'm guessing this is 30 seconds, just like Future Ad Pro. So you're doing like 25 of them? Oh man. And yep, 30 seconds. So as you guys can see, 30 seconds a piece for each one. If you're doing 25 of them, that's 7.5 minutes of just doing this. And we did 15 of these a day. That's 112, well, basically 113 minutes. So that's that's over an hour long. So it's almost 2 hours long of just sitting here doing this. So you could do like the first hour at one time of the day, then the second hour you could do it at a different time of the day. But you gotta do it every day. And then if you're in Future Ad Pro, of course, that only takes like 5 minutes of your time every day. But this, to get those points, oh man, if you're able to do 15. Now you could do other stuff. You could do surveys and everything else. Sometimes the surveys don't. It push you back and push you into other instances and stuff like that. But as you can see, this video has been going on for a very long time. But yeah, I'm just finishing showing you the core stuff. So basically, 100,000 points, 120,000 points to get these TVs, 65-inch TVs. You can see Apple Store, Google Play, Amazon. Let's see, Walmart gift cards, Target gift cards, Apple. So basically, you can see all the stuff that you can get in this redemption center. If you want to spend your points or whatever on whatever you want or whatever, like you can get almost 4,000 points and just get a freaking battery case. Oh, this is a battery case. I thought it was an actual iPhone 6 or 7 or whatever you could get, but it's not. Let's see. Yeah, 1 terabyte hard drive, almost 5,500 points. Too bad they don't have like game systems you could get. They got some tablets you could get, telephone, well, not telephone, camera. Let's see, they got a GoPro, like 44,000 points. So the Hero session, and there's a big difference in points, but who knows? You get Beats. There you go. iPhone, 71,610 points. And you can also get those are 7s. Okay, TVs, okay. So TVs like 141,000 points, 120,000 points for 65-inch TVs. But anyway, this video is about to end in like 5 seconds. So thanks for watching, and let's keep making money. All right, peace.